The following is statement concerning high winds for the following counties in Virginia: Allegheny, Bland, Carroll, Gregg, Floyd, Giles, Montgomery, Pulaski, Roanoke, and with wind advisory in effect until noon Eastern Standard Time today. High wind warning is canceled. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect until noon Eastern Standard Time today. The high wind warning has been canceled. Locations: foothills of North Carolina and Southwest Virginia. Hazards: strong winds, along with significantly cold wind chill readings. Winds: northwest 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Timing: strongest wind gusts will occur through mid-morning before diminishing. Impacts: strong winds with isolated power outages possible. Very cold wind chills may cause frostbite to exposed skin. Wind chill readings: 5 to 15 below zero. Winds this strong will likely cause sporadic power outages and can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Unfastened items such as garbage cans and lawn furniture should be moved indoors. A wind advisory means sustained winds of 31 to 39 miles per hour, or wind gusts of 46 to 57 miles per hour, are expected. Winds this strong will likely cause sporadic power outages and can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Unfastened items such as garbage cans and lawn furniture should be moved indoors. The following is statement concerning high winds for the following counties in Virginia: Amherst, Bedford, Botetourt, Franklin, Henry, Patrick, and Rockbridge. Wind advisory remains in effect until noon Eastern Standard Time today. Locations: foothills of North Carolina and Southwest Virginia. Hazards: strong winds, along with significantly cold wind chill readings. Winds: northwest 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Timing: strongest wind gusts will occur through mid-morning before diminishing. Impacts: strong winds with isolated power outages possible. Very cold wind chills may cause frostbite to exposed skin. Wind chill readings: 0 to 5 above this morning. Winds this strong will likely cause sporadic power outages and can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Unfastened items such as garbage cans and lawn furniture should be moved indoors.
Air quality forecasts for the Roanoke area are provided by the Virginia Department of Environmental Quality. The Roanoke area forecast for Friday is code level green, which is good. The primary pollutant is fine particulates.
Now for the National Weather Service forecast for the Roanoke and Southern Shenandoah valleys, including Roanoke and vicinity, Fincastle, Newcastle, Lexington, Buena Vista, and Covington. Today, sunny. Periods of flurries this morning. Windy with highs in the mid-20s. Northwest winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 55 miles an hour, diminishing to 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour this afternoon. Wind chill values as low as 8 below this morning. Tonight, clear. Lows around 16. West winds around 10 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light and variable. Saturday, sunny. Not as cool as highs in the upper 30s. Light and variable winds, becoming south around 10 miles an hour in the afternoon. Saturday night, mostly clear until midnight, then mostly cloudy with a slight chance of freezing rain after midnight. Not as cool as lows around 30. South winds around 10 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light and variable. Chance of precipitation 20%. The forecast for the New River Valley, including Pearisburg, Blacksburg, Radford, Galax, Floyd, Withville, and Pulaski. Today, sunny. Periods of flurries this morning. Blustery with highs in the lower 20s. Northwest winds 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 50 miles an hour, diminishing to 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour this afternoon. Wind chill values as low as 10 below this morning. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows around 14. West winds around 10 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light and variable. Saturday, sunny. Not as cool as highs in the upper 30s. Light and variable winds. Saturday night, mostly clear until midnight. Then partly cloudy with a slight chance of freezing rain after midnight. Not as cool with lows in the upper 20s. Light and variable winds. Chance of precipitation 20%. Finally, the forecast for Southside Virginia including Rocky Mount, Stewart, Martinsville, Danville, and South Boston, and in North Carolina, Eaton, Reidsville, and Yanceyville. Today, sunny. Highs around 30. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Gusts up to 45 miles an hour, decreasing to 30 miles an hour this afternoon. Wind chill values as low as 7 above. Tonight, clear. Lows around 17. North winds around 10 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light and variable. Saturday, sunny. Not as cool with highs in the lower 40s. Light and variable winds, becoming south around 10 miles an hour in the afternoon. Saturday night, mostly clear until midnight, then mostly cloudy with a slight chance of rain and freezing rain after midnight. Not as cool with lows in the upper 20s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light and variable. Chance of precipitation 20%. The extended forecast for the Roanoke area. Sunday and Sunday night, cloudy with a chance of rain, snow showers and freezing rain. Highs in the upper 30s, lows in the upper 20s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Monday and Monday night, windy, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 20s, lows in the upper 20s. Tuesday and Tuesday night, cold, mostly clear. Highs around 10 above, lows around 5 above.